I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. Never be a We barely know, you hurt, I grow, I rock, you roll, we steal the show. I lock, you load, we lose control. I won't be held responsible. Run to the hills, leave love behind. Let's lose all concepts of time. I'll take yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself, and I. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. Never be a
Trying to show. Testing. So it seems like you can hear my voice fairly well. So let's get this rolling. Man. All right, my friends. All right, so let's talk about the high time setup. So it's today's price action, or like last day and a half, whatever, 2 days. Pretty solid, decent. I like the volume on the first day today. Yesterday's, I guess, or today's volume a little less than I desired. Yes, we did pump decently high, but we haven't really crossed anything significant. And so far, this could be a three-way pattern. So, if this is a three-way pattern, 1 to 1. What I'm hoping for is this break one more high. If that happens, on a slower time frame. If we manage to just like meander here, do this, and pop up one more time, that means let's see here. The extension is long enough. Yeah, so what I would assume is, since I think A and B look pretty similar in time, if this is going to be the count right count. Not really, kind of 2 to 0. I would imagine C takes on the time frame of B then. Just the way, if this is going to be true, just the way structure's looking so far. But what has to happen is we need to make another high. Because that opens up the door that just makes this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll also do this so we can see better. Okay. Oh, my levels is gone. This is due. Alright, so then he opens here. Alright. High's there, opens here, low is here. Lower your volume at this moment. So if this is going to take the shape of C in terms of time, I assume here. Boom. We assume a 1 to 1. At a bare minimum. But what I'm really looking for is this area. Tag. Nice pump right there, like that little pump. So, if this happens, we get this high. Like this. Okay. That means this is going to turn into, most likely, this. This will probably get up to like that line there, probably there. It's not that. It's from W. This entire thing will turn into a flat B, C. I should probably go there. I assume this will have like a harsh, so take 5, pretty deep retrace, probably hold this high or something like that. So we get a order block. It's a decent one right here. Nice pump, like that. Makes me happy. Hell yeah. So, that was violated. Doesn't matter. The order block that mattered that really kicked us up was this fucker. One dip, 2 dip. I was looking at a 4-hour order block. I think it was the same one. Oh, similar one. That's why I'm pretty confident this was going to be a turnaround point. After this candle closed, like, man, this looks like it's definitely a turnaround. Look how we, this order block here, look how we close out and over it. Dang, it's crazy. So, this is revert to, I think the 4-hour order block is the one I want to go. But that 1 hour has so much script to close, it's kind of crazy. That just looks so good, right? That 1 hour order block right there. Boom. Can take the bottom, the wick, depending on how you want to have it. So this order block was good, held. Ignore now. So let's look at a retrace level. Let's just say we get to like here. Look at the golden pocket lining up with that fucking order block right there. Look at this. Look at the 0.5 lining up with this. I don't know what I drew this for, honestly, but it's lining up with something I drew. Kind of forgot already. I guess it's like the 0.5 of the entire range, honestly. Oh, it's the high of this. It's the high. Which is also like the 0.5 of this entire range. It's kind of crazy. Minus this little area down here. Or this now. This is an order block in the 4 hour. Obviously, you can tell. Hasn't been tested it yet. You got tested once, I think. Right there. Right there. Look at that. One little wick. Bang. It's an order block because this down candle caused this uptrend that broke these 3 swing highs. Or 2 of them. This one does not. Okay. So, I'm thinking, this is here, it's here. It's kind of crazy. It's going to happen. It might happen over the weekend. It's going to happen over the weekend. This might take, this here. Today, the high will be, it says 15th. Today it's 15th, 14th. 15th, 16th. Saturday, Sunday. This could be Monday. That could be Monday's low. That'd be ideal. But that's the idea. And then what this turns into is this. So a little 5-way impulse up here. Retrace, boom, do. And then a 3-wave or a triangle, could be a triangle too. That's what sucks. I recommend not trading this area. It's just holding it short. And it's trying your hardest to hold it short amongst a massive bullshitness. Lots of bullshitness. Dang, what the fuck? Say a triangle. Or I think it'll be a zigzag, but who knows? Could be a triangle. Could be a triangle. Could incise in it like this. Regardless, we'd expect it to at least take a 1-to-1 of this. Well, not 1-to-1, but you anticipate B wave before next wave. And B waves typically take at least 1-to-1, if not greater. Well, it's greater than the A wave. So 1-to-1, if not greater than the A wave. So we would anticipate, at least this for corrective phase. It's not good to assume complexity. So we'd have to rather assume ABC. Because if you assume complexity, that's when you start getting into trouble. A, B takes about the same time, if not more time than A. Lands in this box. There's vertical box I've shaded here. Like that. Which causes a final rally for a C wave. Or, again, it could be an X wave and then it turns into a... Everybody gets really bullish right here. Oh, yay! Douche. Time-wise... You anticipate, again, a 1-to-1 at least for B wave, right? Here it is. It's really going to be like that. But so we can be here much longer, but it depends what happens. Alright, for now, I'm thinking of this. What could be possible is that I am wrong. For some reason, this is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Then this count happens. Right here. Douche. Well, actually, at that point, I would assume this turns into a wave 3, 4. A bigger 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're not in this video. Okay? So this depends. Break this low, we're in this wave 4 of a large degree, and it turns into a really, really depressing state in this market. That's not what I'm hoping for, obviously. Well, it's of this degree, actually. Why is it so big? There we are. AB, or is it A? Is it 1, 2? AB? So far, this low is a 161A extension. Any further, then it turns into a true impulse, which is here labeled right now in orange. Or, if you hold those lows, is it just a simple ABC here? And we're in this giant B wave. This depends. Do you really think the entire market is going to keep bleeding? Even like stocks. Like, do you think stocks are going to keep bleeding? That's really you have to really think about. Like, gas controls everything. Sorry to say, but that's what it is. Like, a lot of stocks are down 90%, 80%. So it's kind of like fucking hard to believe that we're going to continue bleeding immediately. I think a little relief rally, kind of like meander in a place, get people comfortable again before the actual fucking big kahuna blow that really fucking just fucks people over real bad. But yeah. So that's that idea for Bitcoin. So essentially, again, this is more of an analysis rather than trading. The way you analyze and trade should be different. Your trading should be backed by your analysis, or your trade should be backed by analysis, but it shouldn't be your entire process to be able to trade. So, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This depends on what happens in this little area. Break this high, break these highs. I'm almost certain that this is gonna happen. ABC. If we don't, we break back below 990 on Ethereum, then we're in a world of pain that's turned into 5. Then now we're in wave 4, which could be fucking horrible, and then even more lows. So we're praying that does not happen. For Bitcoin, yeah, much of the same thing, honestly. Really much of the same thing. Again, the reason why I wanted to say it's a 3-wave drop to this low is because it's from Bitcoin's high point. It's a 3-wave drop. Like, this is 3 waves. A, B, C. 1, A, B, and then, no, it's WXY actually, because this is also a 3. So 3, 3, 3. A, WXY. A wave. 3-wave B wave. Triangle. A, triangle B. C. 1, running flat 2, 3, flat 4. Monster 5, which is very common for crypto, for it to have the 5th wave, the biggest wave. The thing is, because like everyone just like that's where it's very much still retail involved, still a young market, and a lot of very much emotional, so it makes sense, But that's my argument to why we're at this is a low, just because this looks like a 3-way pattern, and so this should be done. Because this hit a 1.236, 1.382 extension from A to B to C, and thus is not impulsive like how Ethereum could possibly be, because it hit a 1.618 extension. Thus give me more confidence that we're probably this is probably a significant bottom for quite some time. So that's the idea on wave analysis and stuff like that. If there was people in my chat, I would do some requests, but there's not really anything in my chat right now, so it's kind of pressing. It's my fault for not really being adamant with being on top of things. Again, what we want for Bitcoin and Ethereum is for us to break the local high that was presented today. Bitcoin, that'll be approximately 20,890. If we do that, that opens up the door. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep retrace for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we restart that process for that weird WXY fucking or ABC bullshit thing. Alright? Alright, so again, since there's nobody in my chat, not really anybody asking questions, this is very much a speed analysis, not really speed analysis, but it's quick enough to, you know, get considered speed analysis, but it's definitely faster than, you know, we run. 20 minutes is pretty good. But I got my point across, my idea across, levels across. For Bitcoin, levels we don't want to cross below is, in my opinion, 18,550, and for Ethereum, 990. That's pretty much it. You know, anticipate if we break today's local high in both Ethereum and Bitcoin that we are going to be in this range for quite some time. Do not do that, break those lows, then we are in a world of hurts in the future. I prefer this to do this. A, B, C. Give us some relief hope. Give us some hope. Because that means this turns into a corrective phase. This will be a three-way pattern, and makes it so our entire ecosystem is still very much alive. Because if it is an impulse, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this could also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm saying? And this could be an actual Ponzi. But I don't believe that. I don't believe that at all. I think this industry here to stay is multi-billion-dollar industry, trillion-dollar industry at one point. I don't think it's gonna go away like that. So there are too many heavy players, banks, fucking governments. There's so many things involved that I just don't think that's gonna happen. I really truly believe that this is gonna happen. Okay. All right. So I just want to go do a little walkthrough on a strategy of mine that's been working like a fucking bread. Oh, look at that, broke the high. So that means we are most likely going to do this. I'm very happy about that. I'm going to take some profit on my longs and stuff like that. Again, fucking, where are we at? If you have troubles trading, I recommend two things. Either learn my system, how to trade, which I'm about to kind of go over real quick. It's very simple. And I'm going to, after today's stream, by tomorrow morning, TradePoint will not be public. And if you have access to it through, free sourcing, for the free public source, don't refresh. Do not refresh the chart because you will lose the you lose authorization. So, and if you do actually do and lose authorization, send me a screenshot with the, I don't know how you approve it, but we'll consider it. But I'm gonna make it private. I have too many people in my group saying it's too good to have for free, and I agree. It is actually phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. All these red lines are shorts, or it's telling you when to short, or it's, not when to short, but it's telling you that shorts are most likely going to be true. And look at the one buy signal it gave us today. Well, we gave this time frame, which I think it has said it's the chart's time frame, literally. No, like you bought this low. You would have got in on this candle if you would have followed the system. 3 to 1 R is your target. Stop the low the candle, target 3 to 1 R. Bang. Made your money for today. That's all you need, right? And even on this, this one you would have taken a loss because this candle here, I wouldn't have taken that trade on this candle because that's way too big of a candle to trade on. But like this was a solid trade here. Engulfing candle, it's a decent one. Broke it low. I like that. Boom. Good trade. This one right here on this candle is when you get in. Just broke that low. 3 to 1 R. Easy money. This one too. Engulfing candle. Get onto this one. Stop the high. Easy money again. Get onto this one. Easy money again. This one would have got you a loss because you would have got in on this candle. And then this candle right here would have got you out of a loss. So in here you probably got one loss. This one you got barely lucky. You wouldn't have took this trade. Want to know why? Look, that's not an engulfing candle. So one loss, 2 losses if you took all trades in this little area here. Definitely right here. You would have got a win here. Got a win here. That's not a trade. That's not an engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle. Stop would have been at the high. You would have got saved. Double signal. Could have doubled down, but say you didn't. So good trade. Good trade. Good trade. In a trade. Great trade. No entry. It's not engulfing. Here, engulfing. Maybe got in some trouble. This one, I like this one because the body engulfs the previous body and it also breaks the low. So that's important. Remember that. It doesn't necessarily be a true engulfing candle, like take the entire price action, but what it needs to do is at least break the low or the high of the candle, and the body has to be more significant than the previous candle, or as of significant. This one's basically as of significant, but the key here is it broke the low here. Good trade. No entry until here. You would have took that loss, but again, I probably wouldn't have took this trade because look how big this candle is compared to all these other entries, right? So you want to stay consistent, right? And even here, you would have got in right on this candle here. Boom, stop at the low. Great trade. This one, you would have possibly entered on this candle and took a loss there. So you would have been up to yesterday, previous day, well this day here, you're up 2R on a day. This one you would have been up like fucking 10R, 8R. But again, practice makes perfect. Also learned that going half the time frame tends to net pretty good results as well for entries. I like the half the time frame before right here a little bit better than the in time frame. But again, this indicator will be locked by tomorrow morning. I just have so many members saying it's too good, too easy to use, and I agree. And the reason I made it for free was just like, to help the community and stuff like that, as well as they can help me by using my ref links and stuff. But no one used them, so I bought it all back. Anyways, this should be uploaded, re-uploaded. Hope you guys enjoyed this stream. Intraday time frames, how to trade, stuff like that. The way I trade intraday is completely different. The way I analyze charts is completely different. I analyze charts using Elliott Wave. Usually stick to the higher time frames, 4 hour daily. And I trade off the 1 hour time frame using this exact strategy I just showed you. If this is too hard for you, you don't have time to practice this or do this. The best way to practice, by the way, is using your replay button. It's amazing. It's literally like video games. It's like you're literally playing a video game, but you're doing it to practice to make real money. Obviously, you're not doing it with actual dollars until you actually put your practice, into an account. But this does help you look at and understand the concept. If that's not enough to you, it's too hard for you, not enough time, whatever, blah blah blah. Guess what? Our strategies are on Astrobit. Bang! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And these are all automatic. All automatic. All automatic, okay? All automatic. Nothing is... It's all done by itself. I want to close this trade, but I'm going to close it on this pullback. I think I want to close this trade as well, this long. Just because I have a very strong feeling that this is going to pull back now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like 5, But usually, I don't recommend fucking with it. Just let the bots do its thing. It's very easy. You could, if you hit me up in the DMs, I can hook you with a little discount code. It's like 20% off subscription of Astrobit or our indicator. I can't remember what it was, but if you need help making money in this field, join our team. I'll teach you hand on hand how to use my system manually, or just fucking sign up on Astrobit, put some money on account, link your API, and it's very easy. They have a very good walkthrough. Pick your strategy you want to use. Our strategies are on there. There's other groups' strategies on there. You pick what one you want to use. Obviously, you see the ours are working. They work fine. They work good. Work well. People are happy. Our company's account is up 160, 180%, something like that. I don't know about anymore because this little area account was a little choppy, especially not for NYCOB, but we'll see. But anyways, Hopefully there's nothing there you can't really steal off of, right? So, yeah, my friends. I hope you guys enjoy the stream. Shout out to AshAbit.com. Shout out to ElevateTrading.com, my team, my company, whatever you want to call it. My homies, the family. The family. Yeah. So, let's freaking do it. Alright. Catch you all next time. We'll try to stream on Tuesday next week. Maybe get on a Sunday stream, but we'll see how I feel this weekend. It just depends. My friend's birthday this weekend. We're going up north to ride some quads and all that stuff, so we'll see how I feel. Depends on what time I get back and all that good stuff. But catch me on Tuesday. I'll make sure to put the stream time on live. I'm on live on YouTube, so you can just hit a notification button. It'll be on. So catch you then. It's been your boy, Satoshi motherfucking Heavy. Hope you guys have a good night. You guys be safe. Make sure to practice good risk management. It's a key to your success, I promise you. Once I've started actually following risk management in a strict targeting system, like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, 2-to-1, whatever you want to pick, I started really actually making a difference in trades and stuff like that. And I stuck to a more simpler system. Started any way you can limit your decision making, the better your trading system will be for you. It should be very clean, concise, no ifs, ands, or buts. It's a signal, and that's it. It shouldn't be like, well, it could be that, it could be this. It's that. It's a signal. That's it. You know, the better, the faster you get away from your actual mind from making decisions, and you know, trying to anticipate move, whatever, and just following your system for what it is, because it is hardcore data and mathematics put into play. The better your system is going to be, and I promise that. So again, it's been your boy, Satoshi motherfucking Heavy. I'll catch you again Tuesday. We'll probably go about the same time. We'll try to go earlier. My truck, I had to go get my truck's tires done, and it took forever. I tried to get, you're going to do extra work. I had to talk to him and stuff, but that's why it took me long. And I was thinking freaking 40-minute drive because of traffic. I live in the burbs. So, anyways, catch me at like 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Tuesday. This has been your boy, Satoshi motherfucking Heavy. Y'all be safe. Much love.